Yeah, today we are doing SOP 2 of HSC IT Commerce. Now in this we need to create a web page. Again we need to use the coding of HTML and CSS. Now in this we need to make a layout that is over here. Exactly the same what is the layout is over here. That is tourist place, city and tourist places in Mumbai. Now how we will make a layout, that we will understand step by step. Now we need to create a web page using HTML and CSS code to design a web page as the layout displayed below that we had seen right now. The layout, the top section will display the heading tourist place. This is the top section, okay, where tourist place has been there. Now the top section will display the heading tourist place in header. So we have to use the header tag in this experiment. The section on the left has the list of cities. Now the left hand side, okay, that is city Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad have the list of cities over here. Now the right hand side display the tourist places in any one of the city. Here we have selected Pune, so we are showing the tourist place in Pune, that is there on the right hand side. We have to use the inline style sheet in the top section to display background color for the text. Then we have to use for the tourist place, and then use internal style sheet for the left and the right section with background color and font style. So here we have to use, okay, the different headers, okay, and different section and aside using internal style sheet. So here we will analyze, okay, the question. This is the analysis of the question. First we have to use the HTML and CSS coding, and then we have to draw this, that we have to generate this layout, okay, through the web page coding, web programming. And here we have to use the header for the tourist place and aside tag, okay, for the city and section tag for the tourist place. So these are the following, okay, step we need to follow. I'll just change the number. This is supposed to be 3. So we have to follow this 5 step, okay, and hopefully we'll complete this experiment. Now how this output looks like, this is the output, okay. The tourist place, okay, is in the header, and then we have the aside and the other side, okay, of the page. Now let's see the coding for this. Here we have to use doc type HTML, that was not mentioned. That indicates, okay, that we are writing HTML coding, HTML5 coding. From here our coding start. HTML head, title, tourist place, title close, style tag was open. Now in that, okay, in the section where whatever I will be writing in the section, the background color will be pink with the width 50% and height will be 50% and float will be on the right hand side. So the section is, what is my section, that is over here. In the section my tourist place will come. The tourist place that is there, that is like what I have written over here, Shaniwarwala, Kelkar Museum, Sinhar Fort. So this is my section part. So whatever I will write, okay, in the section, the background color will be pink, the width will be 50%, height will be 50%, and the float will be on the right hand side. So here is this is my section part. This is the tourist place in Mumbai. So this is my section where I had given the CSS coding. Then aside, in aside, okay, on the list of the cities, the width will be 50%, float will be on the left hand side. Here is my aside part. This is the city, the list of the cities are there. So here I had given, okay, some CSS coding also over here in the aside part, that the width will be 50% and it has to be on the left hand side. So whenever I call, okay, the order list, it should be on the font style italic, font size will be 15. And whenever I call, okay, through CSS property unordered list, that will be my font weight will be on bold and my font size will be 20 point. So this is my CSS coding what I have written over here for the section part, for the aside part, for the order list and for the unordered list. Heading, head tag, close. Now here my body part starts. Header will be the background color sky blue, font color will be pink, and height will be 100 point. We'll just go through. Here is my background color blue, and here tourist place, okay, is been mentioned in the font color pink. Just see the coding and we will compare. Here is my coding for the header. It is the background color sky blue. Yes, I can see the background color sky blue. I can see my font color, that is tourist place, is in pink color. And height is in 100 point. So this is my the header part that we have completed. I'll just see, okay, I have met all the criteria. Yes, we have written the HTML5 and CSS ka coding, so I'm making it green. And then header we have covered in this experiment, that we have written tourist place in pink color and the background color is the blue. We had compared, okay, with the coding also. This is my header, background color sky blue and the color will be pink and the height will be 100 point. Now again, this will be on my center, that is in the largest possible heading size, that is my tourist place that we had seen. So header tag was open, header tag close. So we had completed the header part. Then BR, now we are touching part, okay, on the aside side. Now H3 is my city. Now in the order list I am writing all my cities, okay, that is Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Delhi. So we have completed, okay, this my city part. Here is the list of the city: Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad. This have come on the order list. So order list also had given some CSS properties, and this is my output over here. This is my city and the city has come in the order list through the HTML coding. So your aside tag was open over here and the aside tag closed, and I have written in the order list. Now after aside property, okay, we are doing the section. Now the another part that we need to finish, that is section, that is my tourist placed. I am just highlighting it. So my tourist placed, I have written, okay, tourist places in Pune in the heading 3 size, and that is an unordered list. And in unordered list also I had given some CSS properties. Here all the tourist place, okay, of the Pune city has come, unordered list closed, and the section was open over here and section was closed. In section also I had given some CSS properties that I had shown you in the CSS. So here is my section part, okay, that I have written over here. Here all the CSS property has been given over here for section also, for header also, and for aside. Body tag was open, body tag close. So again I'll just do a recap, okay, of what we have done over here in this experiment. In this experiment, okay, we have covered HTML and CSS ka part, that again I will show you. Here is my HTML5 coding starts, and then we have done, okay, this is my HTML5 coding that we have done. Then we had covered, okay, the CSS part. So we have set, okay, at some CSS properties that I had explained to you in the section also, in the section, in the aside, as well as in the header. And we had given, okay, order list and unordered list also the CSS properties. So here we had covered, okay, the header, this HTML5 and CSS, and I had showed you the header part also, aside part also, and section. Again I'll show you. This is my header part, starting from here, ending here, and then here the heading has been given, that is tourist place. Then the aside part, here, okay, the city names has been given. Then in the section part, the tourist place, okay, in the Pune, we had selected the city Pune, in that we had mentioned the part. So this experiment we have completed by HTML5, CSS. Then we have studied the concept of header, aside and section. Hopefully I think you had understood the experiment. If you had not understood, you can always ask me through comment box. Thanks a lot.